we have just stepped in to become the first humanoid to be commercially deployed. We are on the warehouse floor of a company called GXO, a third-party logistics provider just outside of Atlanta, and we are moving product for them. We are taking shift work, and the line it just moves along, and Digit has stepped in and is moving product for them in those areas that I talked about, the islands of automation. It's connecting those two areas.
Interesting, and this is the first application of a humanoid in this way?
The very first, yes. So we have put Digit to work.
And that's quite quick. You took the helm of this company just in March.
In March, right. So the company was on a good trajectory already, and we're just narrowing the focus to some initial use cases that we can concentrate on where the need is greater, but we will continue to add to those use cases over time.
What else is part of your mandate as new CEO of Agility?
Well, we want to make sure that we understand a customer's problem and we bring to them the solution that can solve for that. So we do have areas where people just want to innovate and see what the robot can do. We are very much focused on putting the robot to work. So we want to make sure that with Digit's current set of skills, that we put the robot to work solving a problem that has a need today, because that's very possible. It's not a futuristic thing. Digit can work today. So that's what I'm focused on. And if we don't find that when we're talking to a customer, because we don't have the skill set yet, we move on, because the demand is so great just in that area.
And you price the humanoids comparable to a human worker, less than a human worker? How do you structure that?
Yeah, so when we come in and talk to companies, generally they're looking for an ROI of under 2 years, and we can meet that for compared to a human salary and the full comp package that surrounds putting a human to work for that same period of time.
So after 2 years, then the robot becomes cheaper?
Correct.
So that does seem a little risky for human workers, but you still think it's the task that is being taken and people aren't going to lose their jobs over this?
Right. It's a job that can't be filled to start with.
I see.
And so we're going to stay focused on that, because that's where the need is near term. Longer term, we are a multi-purpose robot, and we can go off into other directions to augment the human workers and not to replace them.